everyone, my name is Jainam. I am a biotechnology engineer. I have been working as an engineer since a couple of years and I'm planning to go for my studies abroad. The reason why I chose IELTS was because it's widely accepted in most of the universities and institutions, and from what I had heard, it's very convenient and results are delivered very quickly, so you don't have to wait for long periods of time. Now, coming to my IELTS test score, I scored 8 bands. My highest score was I think it was in listening and reading. It was 9 and 8.5 respectively. So the tips that I can give for how I scored so much, maybe that first of all, I switched all my entertainment to English. So I think that we are surrounded by media and we consume a lot of media on daily basis. So if we can just switch the movies, the music, the books we read to English, it can kind of provide you an environment that you need to be good at English. So as far as IELTS is concerned, it's just a language test, and as any other language test, it's not exactly a test, but it's kind of like you have to inculcate the language in your life, and it can be a lot easier that way. So if it comes to advising, so one of the mistakes that I think I made was not preparing enough for the writing and speaking section. So if you go through it, it looks quite easy, but if you don't practice enough, it can be a little hard. I think that the best way to practice speaking is to speak to yourself in the mirror and try to speak to your friends and family members in English, and try to speak about more and more things that you're interested in. So it can be quite tough if you're introverted, especially like me, but yes, it can help you with your score. And when it comes to writing, I think the best advice that I can give is to practice the essays. So there are a lot of topics available on the internet and in the textbook that I provide. So you can actually use that and you can practice your essays, and it can significantly help you improve your writing. Other than that, I think my final advice would be that you should not be scared about taking the test, and you just need to be confident on the day of test. You should be confident in what you have prepared, and other than that, it will be a pretty smooth ride. So